back, Supreme Court of India has pulled up filmmaker Neeraj Pandey in the Ghooskhor Pandat controversy. Remember, the massive controversy had erupted on social media with the people objecting to the name of the movie, and now the Supreme Court has intervened. The filmmaker was pulled up over the title of the movie, with the Supreme Court asking why a section of the society was being in fact targeted. The court also observed that the film's title is against morality and also against the public order. It has made it clear that there will be no release until the film's title is changed, directing the filmmaker to inform the court about the revised title. The Supreme Court has issued a notice to the central government and the Central Board of Film Certification, that is CBFC, along with a notice that has also been given to the filmmaker. His name is Neeraj Pandey. The court was hearing a plea, in fact, that has been filed. As far as the entire controversy is concerned, there was a massive uproar on social media with the people objecting to the name of the movie, and now in fact, the Supreme Court has intervened. For more on this, let me go across to my colleague Harish, who's been tracking all the details from the Supreme Court. Harish, take us through what order has the Supreme Court given, the directions as far as the controversy on this movie name is concerned.
Yes, that's right, Akansha. As we know, there has been as you rightly said, there has been a massive controversy over the title of the movie. Today, the Supreme Court has issued notice to the censor board and also Neeraj Pandey, the filmmaker, on the plea to stay the release of movie Ghooskhor Pandat on Netflix. And Justice B.V. Nagaratna made several observations also, asking why should you denigrate a section of society by using such title. Supreme Court has wrapped filmmaker Neeraj Pandey on the title and said that we will not allow you to release film unless you tell us a changed title. This is what Supreme Court told filmmaker Neeraj Pandey, and Supreme Court made a very strong observation saying that title of the movie is against morality, public order, and this is what the Supreme Court has told Neeraj Pandey, his lawyer Neeraj Pandey, and importantly, Supreme Court has issued notice to the center, CBFC, and filmmaker Neeraj Pandey on a plea to stay the release of the movie Ghooskhor Pandat on the Netflix. Back to you.
All right, so the movie will not be released until Neeraj Pandey, who's a filmmaker, changes the title of this movie. So take us through, Harish, what really did he tell the court as far as the change of the movie title is concerned?
In fact, as we know, he has already gone public saying that the film team is already mulling changing of the title of the movie following protest. But that fact has not been informed to the court. So it's expected that once Neeraj Pandey will file his response to the this particular petition, he might take a stand. He might tell the Supreme Court that he is agreeable to change the title of the movie. We'll have to wait and watch what kind of response Neeraj Pandey, the filmmaker, will file in the Supreme Court. It all depends on that. So we'll have to wait and watch what will be the content of his response affidavit.
Absolutely, and this is very important because the court has observed that the film's title is against the morality and also against the public order, also making it clear that there will be no release at all of the movie until the title is changed. What has been the stand of CBFC so far as the Supreme Court hearing is concerned, Harish?
Yes, in fact, today was the first hearing of the particular petition. So CBFC is yet to put forth its stand. In fact, earlier we know that CBFC has also asked whether the filmmaker is agreeable to change the title of the movie. But yes, as rightly said, Akansha, the Supreme Court has made very strong observations saying, why should you denigrate a section of society by using such title? We will not allow you to release film unless you tell us a changed title.
All right, so a notice has been given to the central government and CBFC as far as the entire controversy is concerned. Thank you so much, Harish, for getting us all those details. Let's once again tell you what has happened as far as the movie is concerned. We're learning that Supreme Court has pulled up filmmaker Neeraj Pandey, who is, in fact, as far as the Ghooskhor Pandat controversy is concerned, because there was a massive controversy on social media, uproar on social media with people objecting to the name of the movie, and now the matter has reached the Supreme Court. And today, the filmmaker was pulled up over the title of the movie, with the Supreme Court asking why a section of the society was targeted by the filmmaker. It observed that the title was against the morality and also against the public order, making it quite clear that the filmmaker will have to change the title of the movie, and until that happens, the movie cannot be released, directing the filmmaker to inform the court also about the revised title as well. So it remains to be seen now when the next hearing will take place, but for now a notice has been issued to the central government and the Central Board of Film Certification, along with the notice that has also been given to the filmmaker. He has to come back to the court to inform the court about the revised title of the movie. In fact, the court was hearing a plea seeking a say on the film's release, but for now, as we are learning, the movie cannot be released until the title, that is Ghooskhor Pandat, that is in fact alluding to a cast that is in fact fixed by the filmmaker. And in fact, the Supreme Court today pulled up the filmmaker in that regard after there was a massive uproar on social media, with a lot of people objecting to the name of the movie, seeking its change and its revision. And now after that, in fact, the matter had reached the Supreme Court, and now a notice has been shot to the central government, to the CBFC, and also to the filmmaker. Filmmaker has been asked to come back to the Supreme Court and inform the court about the revised title of the movie, and until that happens, the movie cannot be released, is what the Supreme Court has said. And with this, a short break. More news and updates on the other side.